Let me show you how to make this Kim Kardashian resin corset top. Yes, you heard me right. I said Kim Kardashian because this looks exactly like what Kim would rock. So good. Anyways, do rate this in the comment section over 10. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into this tutorial. Starting off, you're going to be needing a base for your resin top, and what we've done here is to just basically sew a bustier with illusion mesh, and we're going to be converting this into a corset. I'm going to be showing you, this is just the basic easy way you could do this. To create the eyelet case for the back, you want to measure out 5 inches in width, and the length will be the length of your bustier at the back, and you want to go over to get a collar stay, and you measure out 1.75 inches, or you measure out 2 inches for the width, and the length is also the length you have for your bustier at the back. So this will create or make your eyelet stay firm. That's the effect of those collar stay. You can also go ahead to iron air stay on lightweight fabrics like silk. After inserting your collar stay into your fabric, you should be left with 0.5 inches allowance depending on what you cut out. And when you fold this, you want to go over and press this down just to give this a clean, neat finishing. It's going to make your work easier when joining this to the illusion mesh. Here I'm just showing you the various casings for our boning, and we're going to be doing the same thing on this other side. We'll take this to a sewing machine and then work the magic. So this is what you should have. We also pipe this at the top part of our bust. Once you've inserted your boning, fixed your eyelet, you just want to lock the lower part of the bustier, and you should have something that looks like this. It's coming to life, right? Yes. This next step, please do not miss it out for any reason. You need to wrap your mannequin or your dress form, whichever one you're going to be using, with a foil. This white transparent foil that they use to like cover food, it's multi-purpose actually. You need to wrap up your mannequin with that. So some people can still go ahead to secure this with a sellotape, but I stopped at wrapping this with the foil and it worked just fine. And if you don't wrap this up properly, to be very honest, it can ruin your dress form. So please take your time and wrap it. Moving forward, we have our glove. We have this cup I'm going to be using to measure out the resin. We have a bowl for mixing the resin and the hardener together. It got to the time for me to open the hardener. My goodness, tell me why this thing was so hard and stiff to open. I went ahead to just cut this nylon over here just to secure the surface of where we're going to be doing our little mix here and there. And you're going to see that this came in handy because I spilled a little, so I just went forward to just open my resin and did my measurements. So because the hardener was so hard and stiff to open, I decided to use pins to poke the top cap of the bottle. Now this is where you want to pay attention to this mixture. Initially what I did was 1 cup of resin as well as 1 cup of hardener. And did that give me the result I wanted? No. When I mixed this in a bowl, tell me why my hands were burning even with the gloves. I still tried to put the fabric into the mixture and just try to saturate this, but I couldn't just bear it. I knew something was wrong. So let me explain to you guys. This particular resin and hardener, it comes in a 2.1 ratio, which means if you're going to be adding 1 cup of resin, you have to add half cup of hardener. If you're adding 2 cups of resin, you're going to add 1 cup of hardener. In seconds, as you can see, it was already producing this white residue. It was sticking to the bowl, so we had to create a new mixture, and we settled for 1 cup of resin and half cup of hardener. So these are the 2 products we're using. You want to saturate your fabric in your mixture. Make sure it's soaked. I'm not saying damped, soaked. And you just go over to drape this on your dress form.
When you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want.
You can rate this in the comment section and let me know your thoughts and your suggestion. Are you going to be trying this out for yourself or for a client? Anyways, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Click on the down below so you get notified when I post a new video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next tutorial.